Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in equity mortgage. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in equity mortgage, all you need to do is simply tap open your web browser of your choice, and once you tap it open you need to type in the URL www.equitybank.com. Once you do so, you will end up in this interface. So simply tap on the mortgages section and tap on the login option. So once you tap on personal banking or business banking and hit on the login button, you need to now type in your login ID and your password of your account. So after you are done filling in both the credentials, it will now help you get logged in into your mortgage section of the Equity Bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.